In this video, I explain how I turned $550 into a total of $900. This is like 900, I believe. I might be missing a 20, but yeah, let's get into this video right now. I'm gonna put this money down there so I don't have to hold it and act like a rich, stupid kid, because I'm not. I just wanted to show you guys for visuals, but I made $350 yesterday. I turned $550 into $900 cash, and it was in a matter of 1 hour. It was not like I didn't have to work a job, I didn't have to go out and do a ton of stuff. It was very simple to do, and I'm kind of going to expand on what basically happened. So as you guys know, I made a video talking about how I made $175 in 30 minutes. A few days ago, I made that video. Well, that actually turned into $200. So if you guys don't know, sorry if this room's a little echoey, there's not much stuff in my house right now, but basically I bought a MacBook Air. It was a 13-inch 2013 model. I bought it for $200. It had a software issue. I fixed it, sold the computer for $400. It took me like 15 minutes to meet that person, 15-minute drive there and back, so 30 minutes. And then I bought an iPhone X. That took me like 10 minutes to drive there and back. I bought that one for $350. It was financed through AT&T's server, and it was, or AT&T's carrier, and it was a 64 gigabyte, you know, brand new, sealed in box. Bought it for $350, and then someone actually came to meet me around right by my house, so it was a total of around an hour. I did the math. But yeah, so I sold the iPhone X for a total of $500, bought for $350. That right there is $150 profit, and then the MacBook adds $200, totaling $350 profit, hence why I have all of this in cash. It is, I did do all cash transactions, so I didn't have to pay any seller fees or anything like that, but this is just, I don't know, I think it's kind of cool that I'm able to do this. Like, I have friends who work at grocery stores and stuff, and they make this much in a whole week. Like, that's their whole week's paycheck, and I did it in 1 hour. So I think it's really interesting that I'm able to do this at such a young, at any age you can really do this. I just find it really interesting that I can do this and leverage money. I think that's something that a lot of people haven't really found useful, or have actually started to see what's possible. Like for me, I've realized how much you can achieve in life if you have money to work with, and always can, you know, you can leverage your money and make your money work for you. It's something that I value. Like, that's how I make my living. I don't, I rarely work for time. Like, I don't ever trade time for money. It's one of those things where it's always, I'm putting in money to make more money. Like right now, I found a new product to drop ship. It's very simple. It's a product that I know exactly where to target and stuff. So right now, I'm gonna go start up Facebook ads in my computer and launch them, and then start not even testing. I know it's gonna win because it's a banger product. I can kind of sense it before I even test it. I've had this happen to me numerous times, but I'm gonna go create ads and start investing money, and I'll start throwing in $50 a day on tests, not even 50, probably like, it'll get up to around $30 a day in ad spend when I'm testing the ads, and you know, the targeting and all that stuff. But it's like, I'm constantly putting in money to make more, because that's kind of what I value. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't too hard to make $350 in an hour. Like, I was talking to one of my friends last night about how I don't feel bad that I'm doing this, like that it's so easy to do, but it's just like, I feel like people don't really understand what can be done, and they don't know what is possible in this like world and in this day and age right now, just because there's like so many internet businesses going around. People don't really understand how to do something, or what to do, what business should I start, and stuff like that. Like, what do I do with my life? So I think it's just, like, YouTube's really an awesome platform that we can all, you know, me, my friends who are also YouTubers, like, I don't know, a ton of them, we can all actually help you guys out and create, hopefully have you guys create some form of success and income on your own, because it's really awesome. Like, the things that we're able to do, like literally at 18, I'm able to make consistently $2,000 to $1,000, you know, $200 to like $1,000 almost basically every single day. And I work from home. Like, this is literally where I work every single day. I don't really do much but work here. So it's pretty sweet that I'm able to do that at such a young age. This is like different scenery. I'm actually standing up. I'm not sitting on a seat. I want to show you guys the rig I have set up. I have a chair right there on my coffee table, so that's how that's working. But that's kind of gonna wrap it up for this video. I think one of the things that's important is for people to make a six-figure income. 6 figures is not that much. It's only $273 every single day. I did over that yesterday. If you can do that consistently every single day of the year, you're making 6 figures. But 6 figures is not an insane amount of money. Like, I think it's one of those things where like you have to actually start making that much to realize that that isn't an insane amount of money. Like, if I want to go buy I don't know, a super nice house and a super nice car and travel, I need to make more than 6 figures a year. Do the math, it's like you need way more than that. So I think the overall, I'm looking at a lizard outside on my wall. The overall like concept of, oh, once I make 6 figures, my life's set, I'm good to go forever. It's hilarious because it's not. That's not how it works. Even with me, like I don't even know what I'm gonna do next year or something like that. I don't have a plan. I'm just going through and kind of going through life and living. And I think that's something that a lot of people are like kind of thinking wrong of. Like I was talking to a buddy of mine last night, and he was saying like, dude, Seb, look at you, like you're, hustling, making money, and he's like, you got your shit together. And I'm like, really? Do I? No, I don't think I do. Like, I know what I'm doing right now, and I know how to create income, but I don't know what I'm gonna do like next year. I don't know what business I'm gonna build. I just take every single, take life day by day and just kind of move on from there. So that's kind of, yeah, I think I said enough in this YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry I did not post yesterday. But yeah, this was me explaining how exactly I made $350 in a matter of an hour. So the iPhone X, I bought it from someone who I already had a connection from. That connection was built from Craigslist. I post wanted ads saying that I buy iPhones. He reached out, said, hey, my dad owns a AT&T store. We get finance phones like turned in every single day. I'm gonna sell you as many as I can. So now we have that connection. Same thing with the MacBook. People in my town, like my friends and stuff, know I buy computers and iPhones and iPads and watches and Apple Watches. So they'll always reach out to me. Hey Seb, what's up? I have a computer. Do you want to buy it? Or I have a phone. You want to buy it? So it's just long-term connections being built up into now equating to a ton of success for myself. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna try and get a cool thumbnail picture for this, so give me 1 second. All right, I think I have a good enough picture. Yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed, and if you did, smash the like button and subscribe. We're at like almost 8,000 subs, so thank you guys so much. Literally, there was a point where I was like, oh, when am I gonna get 100 subscribers? And like, when am I gonna get 1,000? Now I'm like, when am I gonna get 10,000? And it's just gonna keep going from here. It's just kind of insane to think that this many people watch me and stuff. Like, it's cool just because I'm just a kid from Fresno, California, just doing his own thing, and I have this many followers. Like, it's kind of insane sometimes thinking about it. Even though 7,000 is it's not an insane amount, it is quite a bit though. So, super grateful for all you guys. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Comment below. I wanna do a giveaway of some sort. I wanna give away something between like $100 and $300 price range. So let me know what you guys would want to win. I was thinking like AirPods or something, and I'm gonna do literally just a giveaway, like no catch at all. You might have to go follow my Instagram and like all my pictures or something, but that's kind of it. Or comment on them, or I don't know, something. But let me know in the description or comments below what you guys would ever want to win in a giveaway. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.